Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Always Secured Automation. Today, we are diving into the world of multimeter. Whether you are a deer enthusiast or a professional technician, knowing how to use a multimeter is essential. We'll walk you through the functions, step-by-step usage, and even how to calibrate it. Let's get started. What a multimeter is. A multimeter is a versatile tool used to measure electrical values like voltage, current, and resistance. It can be used in various settings, from fixing household electronics to complex electrical systems. First things first, let's talk about the functions available in a typical multimeter. Here are the main ones you'll encounter. 1. Voltage, V, measures the electrical potential difference between 2 points. You'll often see it listed as DCV for direct current or ACV for alternating current. 2. Current, A, measures the flow of electrical current. It can be DC for direct current or AC for alternating current. 3. Resistance, omega, measures how much a component resists the flow of current. It's displayed in ohms. 4. Continuity test, checks if a circuit is complete. It usually involves a buzzer or LED indicator. 5. Diode test, tests the functionality of diodes and other semiconductor devices. 6. Capacitance, F, measures the ability of a capacitor to store charge. Not all multimeter have this function. Now let's get hands-on. I'll show you how to use these functions step by step. Measuring voltage. 1. Turn the dial, set the multimeter dial to the voltage setting. 2. Connect probes, plug the black probe into the common socket and the red probe into the V omega milliampere socket. 3. Measure, touch the probes to the points where you want to measure the voltage. The display will show you the voltage reading. Measuring current. 1. Change the dial, set the multimeter to the current setting. 2. Reposition probes. For current measurement, you need to break the circuit. Connect the probes in series with the circuit. 3. Measure, turn on the circuit and read the current value from the display. Measuring resistance. 1. Turn the dial to the resistance, omega, setting. 2. Connect the probes to the component or circuit where you want to measure resistance. 3. Read value, the display will show the resistance in ohms. Continuity test. 1. Select continuity mode, turn the dial to the continuity test setting. 2. Connect probes, touch the probes to the 2 points of the circuit. If the circuit is complete, you'll hear a beep or see a light on the multimeter. Diode test. 1. Switch to diode mode, set the dial to the diode test function. 2. Measure, touch the probes to the diode leads. The multimeter will show the forward voltage drop or indicate if the diode is working. Capacitance measurement, if applicable. 1. Set the dial, choose the capacitance setting. 2. Prepare capacitor, discharge the capacitor before measuring. Connect the probes to the capacitor terminals. 3. Read value, the capacitance value will be displayed. And that's it. You now know how to use a multimeter, from basic functions to calibration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.